Welcome to Day 2 of the Rest and Digest workshop. Please find a quiet, safe space where you can relax for the duration of this meditation. Make sure all cell phones are silenced and the area you are in is somewhere you cannot be disturbed. Before beginning this meditation, please read the disclaimer in the video description below and reach out to any of the crisis resources if needed. We will begin this meditation by taking a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out, assisting the body into the parasympathetic or rest and digest state. Knowing within this relaxed state, you can digest your food optimally. As you continue to focus on your breath, slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Within this state of further relaxation, take a moment to check in with your body. Honoring however it feels in this moment. And use your breath to breathe into any areas of stagnation or discomfort. Letting the breath release anything that comes up with each breath cycle. Continuing the focus on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. With this focus on your breath and further release within the body, allow yourself to visualize each breath cycle as an opportunity for nourishment and an opportunity for release. Visualizing yourself breathing in nourishing air. Noticing how this air assists you with your digestion. Acting like a digestive enzyme, helping you to absorb all the nutrients from your last meal, and assisting the nutrients to go where they need within your body. Continue to visualize each breath out, acting as an exhaust. releasing any toxins from your body, and releasing anything that energetically no longer serves you. Allowing you to feel the nourishment slowly dominating over the release as each breath out releases less and less, and each breath in continues to bring in more and more nourishment and comfort. Focusing on this mindset on your own for the next few breath cycles, continuing to breathe in and breathe out. In this moment, allow your focus to release from your breath. Letting the breath return to its normal pace once again. And if your eyes are closed, allow them to gently open as you fix your gaze on one item in the room that you're in. Once you have found this item, let your focus become solely attached to this item, letting everything else in the room dissolve. Begin to notice the distinctness of this object. Noticing the color, the shape, the texture, and the size. Allowing this focus to help you connect even further to this moment. Becoming aware of the vividness of this moment. Within this dedication to this item, now gently begin to observe other items in the room that surround it. Bringing this fixated gaze into the whole room. Allowing this present awareness to flow into this moment. As you slowly begin to fully adapt back to the room that you are in. bringing your focus to the sounds of the room, then any sounds you may hear outside of the room. Bringing your awareness into your body, and taking a moment to notice how you feel now, compared to how you felt when you began this meditation. Allowing yourself to carry this present awareness into your space and into your body. As you eventually conclude this meditation and begin to fully flow back into the day. Taking a moment to thank yourself and your body for the time you spent here today, using this meditative process as often as needed.